Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration. So if you like the video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So let's start the video without wasting any wasting time. So let's start the video. And you can see the first room. You can see the decoration is very beautiful, golden color and the lights and all looking very beautiful, attractive. And you can see this one also very beautiful, the lights and the fan and the bulbs looking very beautiful bulbs and looking attractive. The fan, the lights looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, the fan, white color fan, the white color fan and the white color wall, roof, everything is white color, white. And decoration is very beautiful, very attractive, very beautiful also, very gooding look also, good looking. And you can see it's also good looking good also. So you can see the fan is going full turbo, very beautiful. And this fan not have turbo, so it is stopping in the place, looking very beautiful. And you can see the lights and the doors and the roof, everything is in white color, very beautiful decoration they did. And you can see this one also very beautiful. The window, you can see the outside, you can see black color window, you can see at night or morning. And the bed decoration very beautiful. This one also very beautiful decoration they did. You can see the lights and everything very beautiful, very good decoration they did for this room, VIP room. This also VIP room, you can see the lamp and all looking very beautiful, like the aggressive looking in the lamps. You can see in the decoration lamps, you can see very beautiful decoration lamps. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the fans, lamp, and you can see the lights and the down view for sitting guests, friends, families, all looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the decoration. This is like a fan, same like the when fan is going. A very beautiful decoration. I like this one. I like picture. Very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lamps going shoo here and there. Very beautiful. The wall decoration, roof decoration, looking very beautiful. Very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the gold and you can see the side lights, yellow color. Very beautiful color. Very nice also. Very looking very good. This is also very beautiful. This is not VIP, but it is good, okay, normal. But the construction is going on in my home. And you can see this one also very beautiful. The lamps, you can see this is also my favorite room. This is my private room. If you want tour, so comment me down, I will give you tour also. And you can see this one also very beautiful. This is my personal room. This is inside the personal room. I made it this room. And you can see this one also very beautiful, looking very beautiful, aggressive. You can see the decoration very beautiful. This room is in my Dubai. In Dubai, this is the room. This is also in Dubai. Beautiful room. And the decoration is very beautiful. You can see everything very beautiful. If you like, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with friends and families and all. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. I hope you all are doing so. Thank you for watching. Love you all.